Hello from Seoul. Today we're gonna make one of the greatest cucumber salads with creamy peanut butter. Yes, cucumber salad with peanut butter. Can you think of even one reason not to love it? Yeah, me neither. Today, we're gonna be making a cucumber salad. But not just a regular cucumber salad. We're gonna make it with this creamy peanut butter. Sounds super delicious, right? It's quick, easy, and super refreshing. I think there's no better dish for hot summer days. Trust me, this has been one of my all-time favorite summer recipes, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it too. For this, you'll need some cucumbers and a little bit of garlic. That's it. Super simple, right? To be honest, you can't even skip this garlic, which means as long as you've got a cucumber and a few Asian pantry staples, you can whip up this amazing salad anytime in just 5 minutes. So, what are you waiting for? Run to your kitchen. Then you will make one of the best cucumber salads that you ever had. I guarantee it. Alright, let's start with cucumbers. Take 2 cucumbers, cut off the ends, and cut them into nice bite-sized pieces. Actually, the shape or size doesn't really matter. You can slice them into sticks or you can even smash them. So feel free to play around with it and make your own style. They're all gonna taste fantastic. For information, if you got some onions or bell peppers lying around, feel free to add some. They will work beautifully with our creamy peanut butter dressing, but today, I'll just skip them to keep it really simple. Next, smash 2 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. By any chance, if you got some leftover green onions in the fridge, slice them thin and use them for the garnish. Trust me, as always, they'll be a fantastic addition. Now, let's move on to the most important part, the dressing. In a small container, add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, minced garlic, and give it a good mix. That's it! Super simple, right? I usually use gochugaru, Korean chili pepper flakes, for this recipe. But if you got some chili oil at home, feel free to use it. It will add an incredible layer of flavor. Alright, we're almost there. Let's pour the dressing over the cucumbers. But before we do that, we're gonna add one secret weapon, sesame seeds. So grab your mortar and pestle and grind up 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. When these freshly ground sesame seeds meet the creamy peanut butter, the nutty flavor will just explode. So even if it feels kind of a hassle, please don't skip this step. Trust me, this little extra effort will take your salad to the next level. What? You wanna know this kind of tip more and more? I'm so glad you brought that up because everything you need is in these 2 books. Trust me, with these bad boys, Simply Korean and Beyond Korean, you can cook 200 East Asian dishes like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and even Korean fusion dishes like a pro. So don't forget to check them out. The link is in the description. Alright, pour the dressing over the cucumbers, add the sesame seeds, and gently toast everything together until thoroughly combined. Now, grab a piece of cucumber and give it a quick taste, and then add more salt if it's needed. Here's one last secret tip for you. If you got some Greek yogurt sitting in your fridge, feel free to add some. That extra creaminess will give you a completely different but amazingly delicious cucumber salad that you're looking for. And like I said earlier, these are totally optional, but if you throw in some green onions or a drizzle of chili oil, you'll get another layer of flavor. So feel free to play around with it. Alright, enough talking. Let's call our taste tester. Claire.
Ooh, another cucumber recipe. I'm super excited. Let's give it a try. Ooh. 맛있겠네. 위에다가 칠리 오일을 살짝 싹 뿌렸구만. 요거 먹어볼까? 드레싱이 잔뜩 묻은 게 엄청 맛있어 보인다. Cheers!
아빠 갈게. 아빠 가.
저리 와야겠다. 수분기 한가득에 아삭아삭 씹히면서 그 상쾌한 그 느낌. 너무너무 좋아. 언제 먹어도 진짜 너무 맛있고, 그리고 이 드레싱은 그냥 말할 필요가 없는 것 같아. 땅콩버터의 그 크리미한 느낌이랑 약간의 그 힛이랑 살짝 그 세이버리하면서도 살짝 그 풍미 깊으면서도 달콤한 맛이 적절하게 잘 밸런스가 맞아가지고 너무 맛있네. 맛이 되게 복합적이라서 맛있는 것 같아. 맛있다. 아삭아삭거리는 게 느낌도 너무 좋고. I think it's gonna be great for snacks or appetizers. So please give it a try. It's gonna be a great addition to any meal. Have you guys tried? Bye. 되게 심플한데 되게 맛있다.
Today, I showed you how to make peanut butter cucumber salad, one of my favorite salads of all time. How was it? It's unbelievably simple and easy, right? That's why it's always been my go-to salad on hot summer days. Crunchy, refreshing, and you don't even need a stove. There's no reason not to try this at home, right? So please give this a try. Once you have a bite, you'll find yourself making it again and again for the rest of the summer. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.